Good morning. How is everybody this morning? Well, we're back in the kitchen, and I was thinking that since we've been reading about a mission and a spacecraft, there must be an awful lot of scientists. So I thought it would be fun to make a scientist pizza slider. Yeah. So let's go through the steps. But the first thing is I'm in the kitchen, and so I need to do what? I need to wash my hands. Got my soap and wash my hands. Okay. Got my paper towel to dry my hands. And we're ready to begin. So let's talk about what we need for the pizza. All right. So the first thing is that the name of this is a scientist pizza slider. Not just any pizza slider, it's a scientist pizza slider. It says we need pizza sauce. Look what I got. Pizza sauce. Okay. It says we need pepperoni. And I have pepperoni. Okay. You can see it in the back of the bag. It says we're going to need buns. Now, the buns that I have are a little bit different. You can use whatever kind of buns you want. You can use bagel for this. You can use English muffins. I have little thins for mine. It says we need mozzarella cheese. And guess what I have? Boom, boom, boom. I have mozzarella cheese. Okay. It says we're going to need a spoon. Okay. The one thing that we are going to need, it doesn't say, is we're going to need a plate for this. So let's get started. Let's see what it tells us to do. All right. It says that first we're going to put pizza sauce on the bun. After that, we're going to put pepperoni on the bun with pizza sauce and then cheese on top. After that, we'll put the top on the bun. We'll stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds and then we'll eat it. So who's ready? Are you ready? The first thing I'm going to do is get my bun out. Oh, got myself a pizza slider bun, and these are already split in half, so I can take them apart. What is this? This got garlic and something else in it, but it smells delightful. And I'm going to put this on my plate, okay? And then I'm going to open up the pizza sauce. Powerful Lisa. All right, there it is. Oh, it smells yum. I think you would like this. So I'm going to take a spoonful of sauce and I'm going to put it on my bun. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, and I'm going to make sure it goes all over it. Boom. So there we go. This is what it looks like when it's half finished. All right. I'm going to put the bun back down on the plate. The next thing it says that we need is pepperoni. There's pepperoni. I'm going to open it. This is one of those packages that doesn't like to be opened. There it is. I got it. I won. All right. Got myself a little handful of pepperoni, and I'm going to put it on my bun. Okay? Here it goes. Pepperoni on the sauce. 3, 4, 5, 6. Does that look about evenly covered to you? Well, it was 6 pieces on there. Now it tells us to put cheese on it. This is another one of these packages that doesn't like to open. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use scissors on it. Ha! Got my scissors. Gonna open up my package. Boom, boom, boom. Just because it's faster that way. This is mozzarella cheese, but it's already sliced, which is cool. That is going to be a big help to us. I'll open it up a little bit more. Ooh, that is drippy, drippy. So you'll probably want to open that over a sink, my friends. All right, get ready. See, this comes in slices. So I will put 2 slices on my slider, okay? And you can cut these up however you like, but that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to put a top on it. Now the next thing it says, after we put the top on it, is that it needs to go in the microwave for 30 seconds. So I'm going to walk down to my microwave and I'm going to put it in for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to come and you guys are going to help me clean up. All right, ready? Down in the microwave. 3, 0. Start. All right. And I'm going to use this 30 seconds to clean up. I'll take my spoon out of my jar. I'll close up my jar. Close up my pepperoni package, put it in the fridge. I'll close up my bread package. And I will put my cheese aside because it needs to go in a bag since I cut the package. All right. I'm going to wipe down my countertop because you're going to have to help your parents clean up after this, okay? You guys make this at home. Oh, all cleaned up. My dish rag. Put my scissors away, put my trash in the trash, and guess what? My slider's done. Perfect timing. Boom, boom, boom. Ooh, that's cute. Check this out. Oh, my cheese is melty. Not quite. Yeah, there it is. It's melty. And I have lunch. So, bon appetit. We'll go over really quickly one more time that we made scientist sliders. Okay. And that it had pizza sauce in it. It had pepperoni. It had cheese on a slider bun. And we used a spoon, but we also used a dish because News to You forgot to tell us that we needed a dish to put it on in the microwave. So I hope you made this recipe and I hope you love it. All right. Till next time. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.